Hello kids. Yeah. So in our English class previously we learned how to predict a story. Means we are listening to a story and we predicted the story. So previously in Golden Goose we predicted the story. Now in Torch we tried to predict the story. Yes. Now in Golden Goose we had gone with the key details. How did we write the key details? Only the important things from the story, which makes the story in brief. Means by saying those sentences in briefly, we can explain it to the family members or some other kids or anyone. Means total story we are not going to take, because when some of our friends ask us regarding a movie or some other thing, we try to explain the 3 hours movie within 15 to 20 minutes, or even sometimes we just tell the important points and we just conclude it just by saying only the main thing in the story. So we have key details and also the main idea why they had taken a movie. Now we say if they had taken a movie, the movie was taken only to say something like donating some eyes to others, or only regarding the virus, or regarding the education of the kids. So like this, there will be a main idea in the story. Yes. In the same way, if we come to the Golden Goose, we know that the main idea of the story is greediness. That means we must not be greedy. If you take page wise, if we come to the first page, we can say in the first page, the family was very poor and the main idea is the goose wanted to help the poor family. So what did she do? Those comes under the key details. So main idea is to help the poor family. Then coming to the middle part of the story, we can find that she helped the poor, and how did they become? They became greedy. Okay. So the main idea is how they became greedy. That's the main idea of the middle part. Now coming to the end part, what is the main idea? We must not be greedy. Why we must not be greedy? That comes under the key details. Means the points which tell us that we must not be greedy comes under the key details. So basing on this, what is our aim today to learn? Use the key details to state main idea of a paragraph. Means we are not going to take the total story. We are just going to take the paragraph. Each and every paragraph. Any paragraph we can take, and we want to find the main idea. Why they are telling this main idea? Why we are using this paragraph, and what is the main idea of that paragraph? Okay. So basing on that, let us see these 2 sentences. The lion caught the mouse. The mouse helped the lion. What is this? Why the lion caught the mouse? The lion caught the mouse. Why? You already know the story. The main theme, first paragraph, if I say this is the main idea, the lion caught the mouse, then arises a question, why the lion, it caught the mouse? What situation created it to caught the mouse? Okay, so can we tell? Yes, because we know the story, we know the paragraph. So basing on this one line, I can say, because the lion was sleeping, the mouse was playing on the lion. Means it came and it was jumping on the lion and it is disturbing the lion. So the lion caught the mouse. We know the story. So the main idea is, if we say the lion caught the mouse, the paragraph is that the lion caught the mouse. And why? What is the reason? Why did it catch the mouse? Why it caught? We can say in 3 sentences. The 3 sentences become a key details. Okay, next. The mouse helped the lion. How? Why? When? Then we can say those are the key details. So this is the main idea. I want to say the mouse helped the lion. Why the mouse helped the lion? What happened to the lion? That can be given as the key details. Okay. So why means because the hunters put a net and lion was caught into the net. Once the lion helped the mouse, so now the mouse helped the lion. So basing on this one main idea, I can say 3 key details why it caught that. In the same way, basing on this main idea means according to the main idea, the key details will be there. Basing on the key details, we can say one sentence like what happened. So the key details and main idea will be related to each other. So you must guess what happened in that. Okay. Now let us go with our lesson, the torch. So in the torch lesson, if you go through the first pages, okay, if you go through the first pages, what did you observe there? You observe that Ganesha turned everything, means he invented a thing like torch to turn the things into gold to help the poor people. What is the main idea? Why he invented the torch there? The main idea of Ganesha is to help the poor people. So to help the people, what did he do? He tried to invent a torch. The torch is turning the things into gold. Now he invented it. So these three sentences or some other sentences you can add to make it clear. Now coming to the end of the lesson, if I take the end paragraph, means she left. Last page if you take, he decided not to. What is the main idea of the last page? He decided not to help the people by inventing the things. Why? What is the main idea? So that is if it is the main idea, why become the key details? Since Maya took away the torch, she had broken the torch. Now she became greedy. Why she became greedy? Because Ganesha helped Maya without any hard work. Means Maya didn't do any hard work. Simply he gave the things to Maya. So because of that she became greedy and she had taken and broken everything. Okay. So basing on these key points, he thought not to help the poor people. Yes. Now if we take the main idea coming to the middle part, why Maya became greedy? Maya became greedy because of the gold which she had seen. Regularly, she was asking Ganesha that she is in trouble and she needs some help. Whenever she asked, she found that Ganesha giving her something and helping. Why Ganesha is helping? Yes, the doctor scientist Ganesha, what did he do? He invented a torch and he is just making everything into gold. That's all. Even he can do that very freely because he is not trying anything. He is just invented and that invention is doing that work. So she thought that she can get everything just because of an invention. She can get anything or everything. Whatever she wants freely she can. Whenever she cries, he is bringing. So what she thought? Okay, let me cry. And Ganesha get the things. So she thought like that. That's why she became greedy. So she want more. So she's getting everything without any effort there. So everyone thinks the same. In that way she converted herself into a greedy woman. So like that, if you take the middle part, ending part or beginning part, we can find the main idea. That is the key details and also the main idea. Basing on that key details, we can say something and we can say it is as a main idea. There may be one or two main ideas also. She became greedy. So she had stolen that torch. In this way, every paragraph, if you see a paragraph or anything, you must try to find the key details among that paragraph and you want to try to give a main idea for that paragraph. Kids, basing on this, you have one volume. In that you got one paragraph. Seeing that paragraph, try to collect the key details from that. Okay, try to collect the key details from that. Then you write the main idea. Okay, even you can turn the story in some other way by adding some other things. Previously we said that in Golden Goose story, if the golden goose again comes back, what will happen? Again, if she helps, what will happen? So that thing you can have an idea in your mind saying that, okay, golden goose, let her come. again the family are in troubles. If she thinks she want to help, it will help naturally. But do you think next time also they are going to turn greedy? No. Why? Because once they had learned the lesson that if we pluck the golden goose feathers, they will be turning into white and we are not going to get anything. So what she will do? Maybe the old woman, she may not pluck the golden goose feathers the next time. If not, the golden goose comes, she may not give the golden feathers also. And she will ask them to do some work or something. And now because they know that whatever they come, we cannot increase our wealth or something. So what they think, they three of them, means the daughters, two daughters and the mother, they may try to work hard and they may earn themselves. So like this, whatever it might be, the story can be changed ourselves. Means if we have the creativity, we can change anything. In the same way, try to change your lesson like changing everything, because now the torch changed everything into gold. So the lesson is like this. If the torch changes everything into dust particles, means waste particles, how come it turns into waste? Maybe whatever waste, sometimes waste is also useful waste will be there. We have something at our home which is not at all necessary, that everything can be turned into some waste and can be thrown easily outside. Yes, if it is turned into dust particles or something. Like that, if the torch turns everything into dust or some other thing, what will happen? How come you manage it? So you can try to change the story and try to complete your volume. And your volume, page number 18 S3, try to complete your volume and send a pic. Okay kids? So basing on the paragraph, you want to find the key details and also the main idea story. So our aim is the same thing. So try to find the main idea and also the key details from the story and try to complete your volume. Okay? Thank you.